What's going on, everybody? This is Doug Jenkins with Mike from Mike's Place in the test kitchen today. Let's drop in on Mike and see what he's cooking.
This is the Mike's Place test kitchen. This is an item I would like my son to consider adding to the next menu.
All right.
So this is in honor of today. Kent University was named the #1 college in the United States for taco consumption.
Oh, nice.
So what we're making today is a smash burger gyro taco.
Oh, let's get
Doug,
into it.
you're gonna test it.
All right.
You're gonna give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
So the ingredients we'll need is 2/3 pounds of gyro meat, 1/3 pound of ground beef, flour burritos, large 12-inch, sweet onions, diced lettuce, cucumber, guacamole, and a plum tomato. Now we're gonna mix this gyro meat and ground beef together. We're gonna add water to the mixture if needed and roll it into a 6-ounce ball. Now for this next part, I'll let Mike explain. Let's talk about the authentic Mike's Place gyro sauce.
Hey Doug, here we go. I got equal parts, 2/3 of yogurt, 2/3 of sour cream. Now I'm gonna add this mixture to it. Okay? Along with this mixture, minus the thing. And let's get every bit of it. Okay.
Now, can you recap what all that was? So
This
Cucumber.
is cucumbers, onion, fresh garlic.
okay.
Now I'm gonna put a little, I like that, sea salt.
Oh, nice.
Maybe a little bit, well, that's too much Creole. I'll probably add a little pepper to it and a little lime juice. Lime or lemon. And this is the Mike's Place gyro sauce when we used to make our own.
Wow.
Which is so good, I'd like to go back to it.
Yeah.
Guess I have to ask my son. Thanks, Doug.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna try this famous, this is
Homemade.
Mike's Place famous gyro sauce. Oh man, Mike.
So now we're gonna take our meatball and we're gonna place it in the middle. We're gonna flatten and smash it until it's even across the tortilla. Now Mike's gonna take that tortilla, place it on our flat top grill, and here we go.
How long is this thing gonna go? You think?
Till it's done.
Till it's done. How do you know it's done, Mike?
We'll know.
Oh no! All right. Here in a minute.
I'm gonna attempt, Doug. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm on. He's a pro. He's a pro.
No tortillas
That
were
is
hurt.
a pro.
No tortillas were hurt.
You
in this
guys,
process.
if you've been to Mike's Place, that's a big taco.
Yep.
And Mike does everything like that.
You got to decide whether this is on the menu or not. But let's dress it up. You can't try anything unless it's dressed up.
He's round 2 on the flip.
Oh boy.
See, there's an art to this though. This is like music, you know? There's an art to it. You gotta look at it. Mike makes it look easy.
Let's dress this hamburger gyro. A little of that.
Looks
Little-
good, don't it, Babylon?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks great.
A little cucumbers. We got to keep everybody healthy here. And this. Okay.
And he's got his homemade sauce. We gotta check this out.
Oh yeah, this is the homemade Mike's
gotta try that.
Place gyro sauce.
You want-
And a little guac, okay? Just a little guac. We're trying to keep everyone healthy. And that's homemade guac, and you film that. And we got one last thing, Doug.
Yeah?
Which I think we're making this over the edge, but
There's a prize.
French fries.
Hey!
What do you think?
Alright, I'm ready to try it.
Gosh, it's bad boy Dave himself.
Big bad, baby. He made the video.
Bad boy.
Alright, try it out. I'm gonna let you try it first.
You are.
Oh, well, thank you. Yeah, let's see what you got. All right, he's got like gyro though. It's good sauce, right? That's good. You like it? Oh, that's good. Mike, it's good. I think
Would you order it if it was on the menu?
I'd order it. Yeah. Would you order it? It's good.
Okay.
I like it a lot.
Cody and Tobin, you heard that.
Put it on the menu.
That's good stuff.
Let's see. Hey, a big thank you to Doug Jenkins and Dave Marco, the official bad boy.
Bad boy.
We've eaten the food. It's been about 2 hours. None of us have gotten sick. Just kidding.
And it's making the menu.
Come on, check out Mike's place, and it might be on the menu.
All right. Peace.